RDX English Learning.
David, are you ready to pack for our trip?
I think so, Mom. What should I bring?
You need clothes, toothbrush, and your favorite book.
How many clothes should I take?
Pack clothes for 5 days.
Should I bring my shoes?
Yes, bring 2 pairs, one for walking and one for the beach.
What about my toys?
Take only a few, not too many.
Do I need my swimming goggles?
Yes, if you want to swim.
Should I bring my school bag?
No, we don't need it on vacation.
How about snacks?
I will pack some snacks for the trip.
Can I bring my tablet?
Yes, but don't forget the charger.
What clothes should I wear tomorrow?
Wear something comfortable for traveling.
Should I bring sunscreen?
Definitely, it's important.
What about my hat?
Good idea to protect you from the sun.
Can I bring my camera?
Yes, you can take pictures.
How do I know if I packed everything?
We will check your list together.
Okay, I'm excited.
David, do you have your bag ready?
Yes, Mom. I packed everything.
Did you bring your ticket and passport?
Yes, I have them in my bag.
How do you feel about flying?
A little nervous, but excited.
That's normal. The plane is safe.
How long is the flight?
About 3 hours.
What can I do on the plane?
You can watch movies, read books, or listen to music.
Can I eat on the plane?
Yes, they will give us food and drinks.
What if I feel sick?
Tell me right away, and I will help you.
Where do we wait for our flight?
At the gate after security.
What is security?
It's a place where they check our bags for safety.
Can I bring water?
You can buy water after security.
What time does the plane leave?
At 10 o'clock in the morning.
How early should we get there?
2 hours before the flight.
Can I walk around in the airport?
Yes, but stay close to me.
What if we miss the flight?
We will be careful not to miss it.
I'm ready now. Let's go.
Hello, welcome to Sunshine Hotel. How can I help you?
Hello, we have a reservation under the name Smith.
Let me check. Yes, I see you're booking for 5 nights.
Great. Can we get a room with a view?
Sure, we have a room with a sea view available.
Perfect. What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 11 a.m.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. every day.
Can we swim in the hotel pool?
Yes, the pool is open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Cool. Can we use the gym too?
The gym is open, but only for adults.
That's okay. Can we get extra towels?
Of course, I will send some to your room.
Is Wi-Fi available?
Yes, free Wi-Fi throughout the hotel.
What's the Wi-Fi password?
It's Sunshine2025.
Thank you. How do we get to our room?
Take the elevator to the 3rd floor, room 305.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
I can't wait to see the room.
Mom, what are we going to see today?
We will visit the city museum and the old castle.
What is a castle?
A big old building where kings and queens lived.
That sounds exciting.
We will take a bus to get there.
How long is the bus ride?
About 30 minutes.
Can I take pictures?
Yes, take as many as you like.
What should I wear?
Comfortable shoes for walking and a hat.
Can we stop for ice cream?
Of course, if you're good.
What time will we have lunch?
Around noon at a nice cafe nearby.
Can we buy souvenirs?
Yes, we will visit the gift shop too.
How do we know where to go?
I have a map and we can ask people for directions.
What if we get lost?
Don't worry, I will keep you safe.
Can we meet new friends there?
Maybe. People are usually friendly.
I'm excited, Mom.
Me too, David. Let's get ready.
Mom, what are we eating today?
We are trying local food called paella.
What is paella?
It's rice with vegetables, seafood, and spices.
Is it spicy?
A little, but not too much.
Can I try some?
Yes, here's a small plate for you.
It smells nice.
Try a bite and tell me what you think.
This is good.
Do you want to try dessert too?
Yes. What do they have?
They have flan, a sweet custard.
Sounds yummy.
Would you like juice or water?
Juice, please.
Okay, I'll order some.
How do people eat here? With forks?
Yes, with forks and spoons.
Should I try to speak some local words?
That's a great idea. Try saying thank you.
Gracias.
Perfect.
I'm happy to try new foods.
Me too, David.
Mom, can we go to the beach now?
Yes, the weather is perfect.
Can I swim?
Yes, but I will watch you carefully.
Where is the best spot to swim?
Near the lifeguard station.
What should I bring?
Your towel, sunscreen, and goggles.
Can I build a sandcastle?
Absolutely. We can get a bucket and shovel.
What if I get tired?
We will take breaks and drink water.
Can we have a picnic?
Yes, I packed sandwiches and fruit.
What animals live at the beach?
You might see seagulls and small crabs.
Can I collect shells?
Sure, just don't take too many.
How long can we stay?
Until late afternoon.
I love the beach.
Me too, David.
Mom, can I buy a souvenir?
Yes, but remember to stay within your budget.
How much money can I spend?
$10.
What kind of souvenirs do they have?
Keychains, postcards, and small toys.
Can I get a postcard for my friend?
That's a nice idea.
How do I pay?
You give the money to the shopkeeper.
What if I don't have enough?
Then you choose something less expensive.
Can I ask for a discount?
Sometimes, but not always.
What if I lose my souvenir?
Take good care of it.
Can we take a photo at the shop?
Sure. Smile.
Thank you for letting me buy something.
You're welcome, David.
Mom, where will we eat today?
We will have a picnic in the park.
What did you pack?
Sandwiches, fruit, and juice.
Can I help set up?
Yes, please spread the blanket.
How do we keep bugs away?
We can use a small bug spray.
Can I feed the birds?
Be careful. Don't feed them too much.
What if it rains?
We will move to a covered area.
Can I play after lunch?
Yes, but stay close to me.
What games can we play?
How about frisbee or catch?
Sounds fun.
Don't forget to clean up when we leave.
I will.
Great job, David.
Mom, I'm tired after today.
It's been a long day. Time to get ready for bed.
Where is the bathroom?
Down the hall, the second door on the right.
Can I brush my teeth now?
Yes, here's your toothbrush and toothpaste.
What time do we sleep here?
Let's try to sleep by 9 p.m.
Can I read my book?
Yes, for a little while.
Will the bed be comfortable?
Very comfortable.
What if I hear strange noises?
It's normal in a new place. I'm here with you.
Can you turn off the lights?
Sure. Good night, David.
Good night, Mom.
Sweet dreams. David, how was our trip?
It was amazing. I love the beach and the castle.
What was your favorite part?
Building sandcastles and trying new food.
Did you make new friends?
Yes, I met some kids at the park.
What souvenirs did you bring?
A keychain and postcards.
Do you want to go on another trip soon?
Yes, maybe next summer.
We will plan something fun.
I want to show Dad the photos.
Let's make an album together.
Can we watch the videos too?
Of course.
Thank you for the best vacation, Mom.
You're welcome, David. I'm happy you had fun.
I love traveling with you.
Me too, sweetheart.